welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe my channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group and this link I will paste in description box. Please join it. Let's discuss our first job. Our first job for data research analyst. This is non-technical profile and the location is Noida, Uttar Pradesh. And company hiring is a SDAD Technology Private Limited. And salary is 15K to 18K per month. And this is full-time opportunity and day shift. Here is his job description and all. And you can read here. And this is full-time opportunity and permanent. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Mumbai, Maharashtra location, and salary is 2.4 LPA to 3 LPA per year, and this is a full-time opportunity for fresher, and here this is all about responsibility. You have knowledge of Power BI, creating dashboard and visualization project, and a strong understanding of Power Query. Means this is mainly for Power BI. Power BI data analytic job, and also must knowledge in SQL and all. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is Google Data Analyst. This is for Maharashtra location and salary is 20K to 30K per month. And this is full-time opportunity. And this is your job description. You can read here. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst for Bangalore, Karnataka location and salary is 5 LPA to 10 LPA per year. And this is also full-time opportunity and additional benefit providing provident fund and health insurance also. And this is about company, and this is all about your job role and all. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for also Bangalore, Karnataka location and salary is 8 LPA to 10 LPA per year, and this is a full-time opportunity. And this is your job description like data cleaning, formatting and all unorganized data into this. You have read all that, and after that you have apply. And how to apply this? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is clinical data analyst. This is for Mumbai, Maharashtra location, and salary is 4 LPA to 6 LPA per year. And this is your job description and all. And how to apply the job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. And our next job is senior financial analyst. This is work from home, means a remote location. And and this is all about qualification. You have basic bachelor required financial analysis, 3 years of experience you have need, and advanced Excel also. And this is your job description and this is your responsibility, you can see here. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Apart from that, he need a skill like SQL, Power BI and all. And our next job is market research analyst. This is hiring for Noida, Uttar Pradesh location, and salary is 42K per year. Oh, sorry, per month. And this is a full-time opportunity for remote also. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Kerala location and salary is 40K to 60K per month. And this is full-time opportunity and permanent. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Kerala location also, and this is a day shift opportunity. Okay. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe this channel, share this video with your friend and like this video.